I'm at the World of Concrete at the Bosch booth with John Rose, who's going to show us a new 18-volt circular saw.
So, finally here, a metal circ, as you said. 5 3/8 inch blade, metal cutting, anything you need. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC guys, anybody that cuts metal, this is for them. One thing, our motor is specifically designed for metal cutting, so a lot of circs out there are wood cuts. These were engineered, the motor for this guy, engineered for metal cutting. The gearing, the whole motor, everything for metal.
What do they do differently when they gear that for metal?
So basically what it is the pinions are a little bit different size, the gearing is a little bit different, the different ratio is a little bit different. So basically the higher torque on the end when you dip into the metal, geared for that guy so it understands the load so it doesn't bog down on it.
Gotcha. Cool.
So another cool thing about ours, only in the industry currently, is our saw hook.
That's pretty nice.
Really cool about that guy, you can clip it on anything, dip it in there, hands-free, ready to go.
Not going anywhere.
Exactly. And you'll notice it gets 360 degrees of travel, as well as being able to go forward and backwards. So you can basically hang on anything, 2x material or under.
Cool.
So pipes, 2x, any of that kind of stuff. Last cool thing about this guy, we have the depth adjustment, so you can measure how deep you want to go. 2-inch cutting capacity at 90. So no bevel, but just straight cuts.
Sure, and who needs the bevel on metal?
Exactly. You're just doing ripping down.
Yeah, I see you got the key for the blade on there, and
so you have the tool on board. So you got this guy here. Pop that in there. Arbor lock. Crank it in. Done. Pop it back on the tool.
Nice. Well, can I try this out? That's sort of the fun part.
Definitely.
All right.
So the cool thing about this, like I said, any metal stuff we have, it can handle unistrut, it can do conduit, it can do threaded rod, anything metal. I mean, studs, any of this kind of stuff, it can handle.
Cool. Well, I'm gonna just go through all of these things.
Excellent.
That's pretty nice. So I bet this will be a little harder.
A little bit, but it'll make it through. There you go. And you'll notice when you make the cuts with it, with the blade we have, there's no burr on the end of it.
No, that's a pretty nice clean cut.
So when you're done, you can actually rub your hand over the edge of it. It's super clean on the conduit as well.
Yeah.
And even if you do threaded rod, which if you want to reach up there real quick, I'll grab a ladder.
Sure, that sounds good.
So throw that right there. So you'll notice also the small compact size, which kind of wanted to dummy for you. It's very easy to move side to side. Would you say? Yep. Excellent.
All right, oh, yeah, it's light. You want to grab that for me there? Because I'm on the wrong side here.
So as you can see, like I said, the metal motor never bogs down. It's geared for the initial push into the metal and goes right through.
Sure, so if I was hanging stuff, all sorts of commercial stuff, I'd be up on a ladder doing this.
Exactly. All those applications are usually up in the air.
And there I am.
So there you go. You're done with the cut, you can hang it.
Cool. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.